Hello guys, welcome. Today I will gonna do a video for how to use this BaByliss effortlessly smooth and lasting waves for your curly hair. And first I will show you how to use this one. This guys, I will show you. And first, this is have switch off and on this first button, and you need to put full for the power switch and off and on. And this is 3 colors for the light, and this is last button number 3 is there is if you put up, this is for straight, and this is for like Z letter if this is for curly. Yeah, so now guys, we need to put in the plug in the electricity and wait. Now this one is you need to put here on the table and put this for curly hair like this. Yeah, and guys, you need to open here, switch on. Now there is a light, red lights, and now the lights is blinking, and after that, when the light stop, meaning it's ready for use. You cannot start now to do it your hair, by the way. And now guys, we are waiting. Guys, this is so nice. Look, lasting waves. I try it, and like 2 or 3 days if you not go shower and your hair is still curly. It's so good and very nice. And now still blinking. We're still waiting. Look at guys, I made this cute and nice, very cute. I doing it for the wall decor. Now still blinking. Look, so not ready yet for use. Now I need to brush my hair or comb it. I don't have brush, so I use this comb for my hair every day. And look at my hair. Look at my hair guys, it's growing. It's become black hair already in the roots, and maybe one day I gonna put again color and make color a new color again. And my hair is growing. My hair is long, but my husband like this. You want my hair have a color. His favorite color is mango copper. Yep. And this is guys. Still waiting, still the light not ready for using this. I'm still waiting for the light stop because we cannot use this guy. Guys, if the light still blinking, meaning it's not ready for start for make curly your hair. Now it's ready, guys. It's already stopped the light, so now I'm ready to curl it. And remember, guys, if you want to use this, you must this side is always use this side facing the head for waves. This, not this side, this is wrong, this is the right one. Okay, now we will start for doing curling my hair, but first you must only do a small one, because not good if you do if you take a bigger or thick hair. You must only very thin, because it will be I'm nervous, but anyway we will start. You see, guys, yeah, you only put there, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 seconds, and slowly to remove from your hair. Look at, guys, wow, it's nice. And now I'm gonna take another one small, but every time, guys, I did not do it all my hair, but if my husband do it for me, I can do it to my back. But now I want only show you how to do it, this machine for curly. Do you think I gonna, yeah, wait, I think it's a thick, I need more thinner, very thin. Yeah, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, every 9 seconds, and remove. And look at this, guys, it's a wavy and nice. I like it. And now we're gonna bring it again. Oh my god, my hair, my lights, honey, is blinking. my lights here is blinking. Now, guys, look. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, we're gonna wait only until 9 seconds. Wow, see? And after this, take another more. And like this. We must be careful, guys, because if you put this thick hair, it's not allowed, because your hair will be stuck. You must be careful. Bring a little hair only. Wow, so nice, the wavy. Wavy. Now I bring one more, and that's it in the other side again. Because usually I doing only on the front. I don't go make everything. Yay! Now we're gonna do in the other side. Here we're gonna make also small hair. same to the other hair. Wait. Oh my God. Guys, very comfortable and relaxing, but I get nervous first because maybe your hair will burn or stuck inside you, so scary. Yeah, cute. It's nice. It's easy, guys, but you must only bring small hair. And again, that's it. Meet you again. Yeah. Wow. I like the curly. So nice, cute. And if you did not took shower and at 2 days and still have curly your hair, it's not easy for remove the wave in your hair. It's good. Cute, nice, so nice. You must only patience for waiting, and that's it. Slowly and hold. Wow, nice wavy hair. And now we're gonna take again. Guys, remember, don't bring thick hair, only small, because if you bring small, big, thick hair, it will be stuck inside and so dangerous. The hair will be cut, ruined and damaged, and you cannot remove it very quickly. Yes. I think I want more. One more. Clear up. Well, ito na siya, guys. This is the result. Very nice. And if I did not take shower within 2 days, it's still curly and wavy and soft look. It's so easy. And now I want switch off because I will stop from here only on the front. I only want to show how to use this flawless, effortless, small lasting waves from BaByliss. It's so nice and amazing. And remember, don't use this part, guys, in front of your face. Only at all time you want to use this in the front. Always use this side facing the head for waves. Yeah. And ito na siya. Here we go. And now this is the curly. Yes. Very cool. Nice. I love it. Lasting waves. Yes, yes, true. Lasting waves. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my video and you learn. And if you have a question, comment below and subscribe and like my videos. See you soon. Bye.